Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crazy Frog on acoustic guitar. We will start by breaking down the famous main melody. You'll primarily use the high E and B strings, focusing on notes like D, F, and G. The key is to capture that catchy, repetitive feel. Take your time with each note, ensuring it rings out clearly. This foundational riff is what makes the song instantly recognizable, so mastering it is your first step. Next, let's look at the essential chord progression that underpins the entire song. You'll primarily use three simple open chords: D minor, C major, and B flat major. These chords provide the harmonic foundation. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, ensuring each chord rings out cleanly. This progression repeats throughout the song, so getting it down solid will make a huge difference in your performance. Now, let's talk about rhythm and strumming. A consistent down-up strumming pattern will give you that driving, energetic feel. To add a percussive element, try incorporating some muted strums or light taps on the guitar body. This helps mimic the electronic drum beat of the original track. Focus on keeping a steady tempo throughout, as the song's infectious energy comes from its unwavering rhythm. Finally, let's add that unique, Crazy Frog flavor to your acoustic rendition. Experiment with hammer-ons and pull-offs to make the melody sound more fluid and less rigid. For an extra touch of fun, don't be afraid to add some of the iconic vocal ding-ding sounds. Remember, practice is key to building speed and confidence. With these techniques, you'll be playing a recognizable and enjoyable acoustic version in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.